Welcome to Wolfmart 360. In this short video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to update or change your notification preferences. To update or change notifications, users can go to their user profile and update their preferences. Log into Wolfmart using your NetID and password. This will bring you to the Wolfmart shopping page. Click on the person silhouette in the upper right corner of the home page. This is your user profile. Click View My Profile. Then click Notification Preferences on the left side of the screen. Click on the group of preferences you'd like to update. For example, we will choose Shopping Carts and Requisitions. You will see a list of notifications that can be emailed or shown as an alert in Wolfmart. Click Edit Section to change any of these preferences. Click Override and then select how you would prefer your notification. Before leaving this page, be sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen so your preference updates are saved to your profile. Please note, it is important to keep the notifications active that pertain to your job function and duties. This completes the video tutorial on how to update or change your notification preferences. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to email procurement@wolfmart_help@stonybrook.edu or call the help desk at 631-632-4573. Thank you for tuning in.